Alright, let's see if Mitchell will show us any of his tricks today. Mitchell, can the camera see your monkey lips? Let's see them. Let's see monkey lips. Nice. How about your cold face? What do you do when it's cold? Yep. That's good. How about if something is sour? What if it's sour? Yep. Let's see your animal sounds. What does a cat say? What does a cat say, Mitchell? Meow. What about a dog? What does a dog say? Yeah, some dogs say that. What does a dinosaur say? Ooh, that's scary. Can we see some of your signs? How do you say more? Good job. How do you say milk? How about all done? You're so smart. Can you wave bye-bye?